Imagine a system that allows important announcements to be displayed on an LCD screen and an Android TV, all wirelessly controlled over the internet. No need for physical papers, no manual updates, just instant real-time notices accessible from anywhere. This is an ESP32-based IoT digital notice board designed to work with Google Firebase to provide a seamless and efficient way to share notices. Whether in schools, colleges, offices, or public spaces, this system offers a smart alternative to traditional notice boards. This video will provide a step-by-step explanation covering the Firebase setup, hardware connections, ESP32 programming, and Android TV integration. This project is perfect for electronics, telecommunication, and computer students, and a great learning experience for IoT and Firebase beginners. So let's get started.
This system consists of 4 main components. ESP32, microcontroller, connects to the internet and fetches notice updates from Firebase. 16:2 LCD display shows important notifications, including the date and time of the last update. Buzzer alert sounds an audible beep whenever a new notice is received. Android TV web interface displays the full notice content on a large screen. Here's how it works. The ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi and retrieves notice updates from Firebase. The notice gets displayed on a LCD with date and time. At the same time, the notice appears on an Android TV web interface. A buzzer alerts when a new notice is posted. This means no more manual updates on notice boards. Everything is automated and wireless. Next, let's take a closer look at setting up Firebase to handle this real-time data transfer. Firebase is used as a cloud-based real-time database, ensuring that notice updates are instantaneous. Step 1. Open the Firebase console and create a new project. Step 2. Enable real-time database and configure it with appropriate read-write permissions. Step 3. Obtain the database URL and API key, which will later be integrated into the ESP32 code. The ESP32 acts as the central processing unit of the system, receiving data from Firebase and controlling both the LCD display and the buzzer. Proper wiring and connections are essential to ensure smooth and reliable operation. The ESP32 program is responsible for 3 main tasks. 1. Connecting to Wi-Fi to fetch notices from Firebase. 2. Displaying the message on the LCD while ensuring proper formatting of date and time. 3. Triggering the buzzer for a few seconds to notify users of a new notice. With all components connected, the system is now fully assembled. LCD display plays a crucial role in this digital notice board system. Provides essential information for users at a glance. As soon as the ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi, the LCD displays the assigned IP address. This IP is crucial because it allows users to access the notice board interface from any device. An Android TV web interface is used to display notices dynamically. A simple HTML page is hosted on the ESP32, which refreshes automatically every few seconds. With this setup, any uploaded notice is displayed on the TV without requiring any manual refresh. digital notice board has numerous real-world applications, including educational institutions. Schools and colleges can display important announcements, schedules, and exam dates. A single school or college prints hundreds of notices daily. Switching to a digital system can save thousands of sheets of paper annually, making a positive impact on the environment. This IoT-based digital notice board provides a modern, eco-friendly, and efficient solution for displaying notices in real time. The combination of ESP32, Firebase, and an Android TV ensures a highly flexible and scalable system